it's me, Ayaan, and I'm doing my elephant toothpaste science experiment for the science fair, and I'm in 5th grade. So the hypothesis is that during a chemical reaction, the original substance would transform into a new substance, or at least two new substances. And the ingredients for elephant toothpaste are yeast, hot water, food coloring, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, or in its formula, H2O2, measuring cup and a spoon, measuring cups and measuring spoons, and an empty bottle or empty container. Step 1. You first put 1/2 of hydrogen peroxide inside the bottle. You also put a squirt of dish soap and food coloring. Step 2. You put 1 tablespoon of yeast and mix it with 3 tablespoons of warm water inside a cup. Step 3. Pour the yeast mixture inside the bottle. So the yeast mixture should have warm water, and the bottle should have H2O2 or hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, and food coloring. Food coloring is optional. And step 4, the explosion will start. And you also need safety goggles, since hydrogen peroxide is pretty dangerous and it could cause burns. The reaction is that the hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, plus yeast, which has catalysis, which is a catalyst, which is something that breaks a chemical down. So hydrogen peroxide plus yeast would separate hydrogen peroxide with oxygen, O2, and water, which is H2O, and heat. So the conclusion is that the yeast breaks down the hydrogen peroxide, or H2O2, into water and oxygen. So the oxygen will try to escape, and the soap traps the gas trying to escape, which causes the foam. And the what if is that if cold water is used instead of warm water, the yeast will get destroyed, which is the same for very hot water. And if you skip the soap in the experiment, and there will be bubbles instead of foam. Number 4 is that if you take lesser yeast in the experiment, it would have less oxygen. And number 5 is, why does the bottle feel warm? It's because of the warm water already in it, and that too, in the reaction, heat's also made. Bye. Thank you.